Hey guys, what's up? Happy Easter to everybody. We have a little fun Easter video for you guys today. We have 7 different packages of Peeps. We have sour watermelon,
Awesome.
hot tamales, coffee shop, donut shop,
Party cake,
cotton candy,
sparkly wild berry.
fruit punch. The one that I'm not looking forward to trying, honestly, is party cake because I just don't like birthday cake stuff like that. So I don't think the girls want to try the hot tamales.
No,
It just says it's cinnamon, so I think it's just gonna be a cinnamon marshmallow. So we're gonna start out with the donut one.
Okay.
Now we're probably not going to eat the whole thing just because it's a lot of sugar and it's early.
In the morning. So you're not pajamas.
So here's one. You just keep it on there. Just
scared. So I can't take a bite yet.
no.
I smell sugary.
This is very overpowering.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. Go ahead.
Set.
No.
Ugh.
That one's gross.
Yeah, I hate
Peeps
coffee.
alone are gross. But one that tastes like coffee's horrible. That's bad.
Do you know the slime that we got that was like coffee?
That's nasty.
Yeah. Don't get low.
Do not buy Peeps coffee. I'm sorry, Peeps. I'm sorry if you guys are going to lose business from this video, but that's gross. You shouldn't have done that one.
So gross. No.
We're gonna get the cinnamon one out of the way.
Oh. No.
Because then the other one we'll do the birthday cake one next.
Okay. I'm so scared.
Yeah, this smells like if you know what Big Red Gum smells like. Exactly what this smells like. It smells like Big Red Gum.
Okay.
They're red.
Dad.
It just smells like Big Red Gum.
Oh, it does. Ready?
It's not hot at all.
No.
It's just like a cinnamon marshmallow.
Yeah, it tastes like cinnamon.
That's good.
It's actually really good.
I mean, the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat the whole thing now.
It's actually a really good one.
I think so.
So
Where
far.
do we put it?
So far.
Also watermelon.
So far, hot tamales.
No, I want to do sparkly wild berry.
Okay, she wants to do sparkly wild berry.
And then
Sparkly wild berry only has 8 in it. All the other ones have 10.
And plus they're bunnies.
bunnies.
They're bunnies instead.
Oh, these are bunnies instead of Peeps.
And there's 8.
Oh, there's 8. Yeah.
And there's 10. Then we can start. Oh, those are like stuck together? Those are
These actually smell really good.
No.
I want to eat it.
You ready? Let's try it.
Set.
That one's actually really good too.
Yeah. I bet they want to know what it tastes like.
Do you know like that Canada Dry stuff? Kind of tastes like a berry one of
It
those.
tastes like a berry ginger ale.
Yeah, this is actually really good.
That one's really good. So far, that one ranks above the tamales. I'm gonna put them in order by the way we like them.
I want to do this one.
No, I want to get birthday cake out of the way because I am not a fan of birthday cake. You guys know we tried some of the Peeps before. Well, we went to the store and decided, hey, let's just get all the flavors that they had and try them.
Literally every flavor on the shelf.
That's just straight up smells like a birthday cake. And I am not looking forward to this one.
I am.
This one might end up going below.
Hot tamales. Or
No, coffee for me. Okay.
No, I don't like it. I mean,
It's still way better than the
It's
coffee.
not bad. But it's definitely, but coffee still is below.
Yeah.
So far, this is 3rd on my list.
No, Peep. No, this is the one.
No, let's do
I'm kind
fruit
of
punch.
scared for cotton candy.
We're gonna do fruit punch next.
I bet it
That's
tastes
watermelon, sour watermelon. My favorite.
I think sour watermelon's gonna be last though.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. This is a lot of sugar.
This is a lot of sugar. That's why I'm not eating the whole thing.
I was only eating. It's only
Looks like
9:13
the
in the morning. Ready? Looks exactly like the hot tamale.
I don't like it.
There's no flavor to the fruit punch at all to me.
It just tastes like
Same.
fruit.
Now, if we're going by flavor wise, yeah, fruit punch tastes like you're just eating a straight marshmallow. I don't even taste anything. So far, wild berry, hot tamales, party cake, and fruit punch. and coffee, which is already over there. It's closer to the garbage because that's where it belongs. Cotton candy's next.
Oh.
I mean, cotton candy.
Well, I'm just no. Should not share her drink.
I don't know about this one.
I mean, we should get cotton candy today.
Okay.
No.
It doesn't even have a taste.
No, it does not. It tastes like a straight marshmallow. Like the first three,
Okay.
there's no flavor whatsoever to that one. That's actually going below fruit punch because fruit punch had a little bit.
That one does have a little bit, but it's way.
I don't taste anything. Okay, so last one,
Why
guys.
do you know?
It's a watermelon, sour watermelon. I'm kind of excited for this one.
I know.
I don't know.
I like
if it
sour
is,
stuff.
Sour, but
Actually, it is
pouring.
pouring. Hold on, guys. Okay, we're back. We gotta go make sure some windows are shut because it is raining really hard.
Pouring.
Okay, so this actually smells really good,
It looks good.
and the inside
I'm scared.
again looks like a
Purple.
fruit punch.
Hold on. I can't. That's actually really good.
Way better than all of them.
That one
I know.
is by far
The
the
best.
best one.
Guys, literally buy
Like,
it.
I wasn't gonna eat a whole one. This deserves it. And this one's actually we're gonna keep that one.
It is sour too, a little sour.
We'll keep that one open.
You know, it's a little sour.
But not bad though. That one is really good.
The best.
So, our final rankings are going to be this. Sour watermelons first. Sparkle wild berry second. Hot tamale cinnamon third. Birthday cake, fruit punch, cotton candy, and donut shop. I think we can all agree that that's the order.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think for sure. Yeah, that got a little tartness at the end. That was really good though, but we have a pile of half-eaten Peeps now to the side of me. I'm half tempted to try one of these Peeps on a s'more whenever we have a fire. So if they stay, they probably won't keep because now they're all open and we have 7 packages of Peeps open. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Easter to everybody out there. Also, hope you guys are having a safe time with your family. And I'm gonna let these two finish this.
Stay safe.
Stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye, guys.